Amazon that I received ever in my life. Wow! This is the gift. 3-layer cat with a cat condo and 2 hammocks gray. My cat is very lucky! What is this? 3-layer cat. Oh my god, she's so lucky, guys! So the gift said, now I can say I bought you a toy. Oy. So we can watch you play with your kitty. Seriously though, you are beautiful, intelligent, and sexy woman. I will not read the rest, guys, but this gift is from Kate Bagwalker. I don't know who is this, but yeah, thank you so much for checking on my Amazon wish list. Oy, let's open this. I'm very excited. Where is my cat? Scotty! Scotty! Here's your gift. Oh, hello! Oh my God! Sana all. Oh, this is for my cat. Where's your condo? Iyang parang ba? Sa kasataan. Oh my God! So many, look! Wow! She will be happy with this, guys. Oh my God. So I will assemble this and show you guys how it looks like. That's why it's heavy. Oh my God.
Nice.
Ah, this is the thing that I'm gonna follow. Oh God. Hala, thank you so much, Kate. Who are you? Thank you so much. This is gonna be my cat's happiness. Sana all, Scooty. Where's mine? Scooty, you're so lucky. Thank you so much, Kate. Scotty. Oh my God, it's done. Yay. Hala, she love it. Oh, look. Ay. Oh, Jump. Jump, Scoot. Thank you so much to Kate. It's already done and installed. Wow. Somebody is excited. Look at that face. Thank you so much. Our first Amazon wish list. Thank you so much. Same color.